less anxiety. I don't feel good too. I'm not feeling that well. Like, um, nothing too bad. It's just like I feel like I'm getting sick, but I'm not. It's only the lack of nicotine. Payday. All right. All right, Kristen. I love you, hon. Sorry I jumped so deep into things. I get triggered when people get frustrated. Frustration. Everything is frustrating. And I don't like frustration to be an obstacle. Frustration is just part of life. If everything was easy, I don't know. Where would we be? We need frustration to know when we're not frustrated and everything's okay. Duh, duh. That's a cool cloud out there. Starting to build. I wonder if we're going to get a rainstorm. Uh, People really don't want to hear me talk, especially when I shut up for an hour and then come in here and just start ranting. All right, it's okay. Yeah, I chased off 6 people talking. And I gotta shut up and hopefully some other ones will come in. No, I'm kidding. It is what it is.